Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm filming a few videos, so you might see me wearing the same clothes in a few videos, but that's cool. We're still under lockdown. And it just hit me that I have not bought hair products in months. Now remember, I don't always receive free stuff. I buy a lot of my stuff. And guys, it's literally been about 4 months since I've bought any hair products. So I was like, what do I have in my hair stash? We're under lockdown. I haven't been to the shops. I'm one of those good people under lockdown. We're in week 3 and I've been out of the house one time. So I'm not going out. I'm not even going to the hair care aisle and buying stuff. So what do I have left? Like, I'm making videos. I haven't bought hair products in months. So today I'm going to share with you what I have left under lockdown in South Africa in my hair stash. But before we get into that, subscribe, like, and comment. Okay guys, I wasn't sure how to really do this video, but I'm just going to do my best to show you what I have. And these are some of the leave-in conditioners that I have here. This is from Palmer's, here from Girl Boss is a leave-in. I have something here from As I Am, the leave-in conditioner, which I really like. And then I have from The Perfect Hair, I have the Luscious leave-in. So these are the 4 leave-in conditioners that I kind of have left. I think I need to call this part 1 because I just realized that I have a bag full of stuff that I'm going to have to pull out and share with you guys as well. But let's start down this way. Again, sorry for the mess. You know, this is from Jessie Coles and I do have a video comparing these two styles. I really like them. It's not available in South Africa. I have reached out to them. They did say that they are trying to get into the South African market. They are trying. So these two styles are from Jessie Cole, and then from, as you can see, I Worry. This is their Ultra Nourishing Cream Defining Leave-In Lotion. At the back peeping out, we have some on Jackie's Ice Cold. My shingling video, I use this. Then this is CG approved, which is the Flex. Then from Girl Boss, here I have the Coal Defining Butter. I have been featuring this product a lot on my Instagram because I am using it. Cantu, I love the moisturizing twist and lock gel. And then from Vana Naturals, I also do have a video on Vana Naturals. This is the Make Me Curly cream, which my hair actually really likes. So in part 1, these are the stylists that I have left. Okay guys, we're going to move on to some leave-ins, which we're going to start off on the side, some leave-ins that I do have. You can see here from Vana, this is from Vana Naturals, it's the Make Me Soft leave-in conditioner. Then I have the Cantu, leave-in conditioner, as you can see here. From Girl Boss, this is actually the deep conditioner that I have here. The Mango Marula one, and then I also have from the Perfect Hair the Grow on the Go. This is a creamy conditioner. I think this is moving a little bit more into my masks and stuff. Sorry about that. Then from Miele Organics, I do have a video. This is their Rosemary hair mask. From Vana Naturals again, this is their Make Me Strong hair mask. I have a moisturizer here from Afro Tame. All of the stuff you've seen on my channel. The only hair oil that I have, this is from the Perfect Hair. It's the All Day Maximum Hydration. This is what I have left. And then cleansers, most of them are in the bathroom, to be honest with you guys. But what I have in my room at the moment, this is from I Worry, the Baobab line. I have a video. And then from As I Am, here I have the cleansing pudding. In my bathroom, I do have all the other I Worry shampoos. I have the Rooibos one, all the others in the bathroom, and I think I also have a the Cantu cleansing shampoo is also in the bathroom as well. In the bathroom I also have, and I know I should go get it, but it's a bit of a mission. Yeah, I also have the Palmer's cleansing shampoo as well in the bathroom. So I think in the bathroom I have at least 4 or 5 shampoos in the bathroom. Sorry about that. I'm just showing you what's kind of in my hair stash in my room. You guys can't see, but this big bag is full of stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I still have this from Diva. This is the Diva Deep Sea Repair Mask. I still have this. And I still have some other Diva stuff as well. Oh gosh, a big one. Let me just show you guys. This is the very big Diva Ultra Defining Gel. It's the big one, guys. Also, I still have from Diva the No Poo Decadence. It's also the very, very big one that I still have left. Also from Diva and I'm not using the Diva because of all of the drama. I still have the Believe In. I did throw out all of this other stuff I threw out, and I didn't realize I still had more. I did a video on this, the Koi Sand collection. I did do a video on the Koi Sand collection. Check that out. Some of my faves. Ooh, this gets a ooh from me. The Afro-G Callific Curl Definer. This is brand new. I have not touched this. I haven't opened it. I have a microfiber towel from Pattern Beauty. I did do a giveaway and I did do a video on that. I have more pattern stuff. This is the leave-in conditioner. This is not Curly Girl friendly. Another leave-in conditioner, exactly the same. It's so sad that Tracy Ellis Ross's products are not Curly Girl friendly, but they are not. I have sachets and sachets and sachets and sachets and sachets. This is, whoopsie, this is from Cara Care. So I've got a whole lot of these sachets. I'm pulling out more sachets. I'm just going to move the stuff that we've already seen. So we're back in the bag, and here are the Cara Care sachets that I have. I have more inside there. This is still Cara Care here. This is not Curly Girl friendly. This is the Aunt Jackie's Kalala, not Curly Girl friendly. More Cara Care. More Cara Care. Let's get that out. And then inside, another Kalala and a Coal Boss. I don't think this is Curly Girl friendly. I need to check. Then I have from Bella Naturals. This is the Mongongo Seed Oil Detangling Conditioner. Haven't tried this. It's brand new. Also brand new, I have the Afro Botanics Moisturizing Strength and Curl Activator, brand new as well. This I bought such a long time ago and I just haven't got around to it. The Mark Anthony Strictly Curls Perfect Curl Miracle Treatment. This small little thing's supposed to be a treatment. Okay. Brand new inside here as well. Bought this online a year ago. Haven't opened it. Not sure what I'm waiting for. The Soultanicals Fluffalicious Curl Nutritious. I've seen a lot of like YouTubers use this. Let me put this on top here. More sachets. Quite a lot of sachets, guys. The Miele Organics, I've got a video. This is the leave-in conditioner. This is the Coil Sculpting Custard. I have the deep conditioner here. Another Coil Sculpting Custard that makes it 2 Coil Sculpting Custards, and the Twisting Souffle. Then I have unused brand new I Worry leave-in lotion. I'm almost done, guys. Then I have not used from Coiled Crew. This is the hair color wax in the gold color, so it should give you like a blonde kind of color going on. Diva Curl again, unused, have not opened. This is the Wave Maker. I'm going to put this at the back with the other Diva Curl stuff that I still have. This is just a hair grip from Pattern that's in here. From Aunt Jackie's, this is the Shine Boss. I also don't know if this is Curly Girl approved. I really don't know. Unused, brand new. Whoopsie. Yeah, that's it. I think what's left in here is actually just a bar of soap. I don't use this for my hair. I don't know how it got in there at all. And that's it, guys. The end of my video of what's left in my hair stash under lockdown. I think I'm good. I think I'm really good. Sorry for not showing you guys what's in the bathroom. All the I Worry shampoos that I have there. And I also have, I think, a Perfect Hair shampoo, a Cantu shampoo. And I also have the Palmer's cleansing shampoo as well that's in the bathroom. But just to kind of give you, a glimpse of what's in my stash. I know I don't think it's that impressive, but it's what I have left. So why not share what I have left? I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your comments down below. Let me know if you're surprised, like you don't have that much stuff or you do. Generally, I give a lot of my stuff away. I give away a lot of stuff. I try not to keep stuff. That bag surprised me. I'm not sure if that's a bag I put aside to give away, or I'm not really sure about that bag, but I'm going to figure it out. Drop your comments down below and I'll see you again. Take care.